Hello, this is GATE 2020 question related to analog electronics. Topic is operational amplifier. So let's see the question. The component in the circuit shown below, one is ideal operational amplifier, is in a positive feedback and input voltage Vi is a sine wave of amplitude 1 volt. The output voltage will be V0 is how much? So you have to find out the output voltage for this circuit. So this is a very easy and simple question. Basically it is a memory based concept based question. So just you have to recollect the concepts. You can apply that, apply that concept, you can get the answer more easily. So before, there are different ways you have to identify what type of output voltage for this circuit, but see one by one. First one is basing on the concept. This is the operational amplifier. So operational amplifier is basically configured into three modes. One is open loop configuration, positive feedback and negative feedback. So whenever the operational amplifier is configured in open loop, the gain of the operational amplifier is very large, very high. So it is works as a non-linear region, means the output operational amplifier is switching from positive VSAT to negative VSAT. So the output of operational amplifier always swings from plus VSAT to minus VSAT. It depends on the power supply voltage. So whenever the operational amplifier gain is infinity, it works on the non-linear region. It saturates limited to the power supply voltages, that we know. And the next case is operational amplifier works in a negative feedback. So there are two feedbacks, one is positive feedback and negative feedback. So what is negative feedback means? The input voltage you are applying across the inverting terminal, so that feedback is nothing but a negative feedback. So what is that? Output is connected to the input of the inverting terminal. Okay, so here the input voltage you are connecting to the non-inverting terminal and the output of the signal is connected to the input of the positive feedback, positive terminal. So this is positive feedback. So the main important difference between positive feedback and negative feedback is, in the negative feedback the gain is reduced but it maintains a stable. It amplifies the signal, the gain is stable. But here positive feedback, the gain is more, it is unstable. So depending on the application you are using any of the feedbacks. So normally in positive feedback and open loop, it works in a non-linear region. So whenever if you works in an amplifier, it works in a linear region, that we know. So whenever if you design an amplifier, it works in a linear region. So definitely you have to connect the operational amplifier in negative feedback mode. So whenever open loop configuration or positive feedback, the operational amplifier works in a non-linear region, means the output gain of the operational amplifier always limits to saturation voltage, either plus VCC or minus VCC. So basing on that, so this is a positive feedback. So basing on that you can guess the answer. Okay, and one more thing is, so this is input impedance is very infinity, very high. So there is no current entering into the operational amplifier. So Ri is infinity and open loop gain is also infinity. True to open loop gain, so we apply virtual ground concept. The voltage at this node is equal to voltage at this node. So this node is grounded, at this node also this is grounded, and the current entering into the operational amplifier is 0. So most of the current is flowing through the loop. Okay, so these are the basics. So now in the question, this is a positive feedback. So simply this circuit acts like a non-inverting Schmitt trigger. So what is the output of Schmitt trigger? So Schmitt trigger means, so any of the input, that is a plus 1 to minus 1 sinusoidal signal you are giving to the input of the non-inverting terminal, because of the positive feedback, the output is saturates non-linear region, it works, the output is swings from plus VSAT to minus VSAT. So basing on that concept, so the answer, a constant of either positive or negative. So in another way you have to solve the problem. So here what is the Vn at this node? is nothing but you apply a KCL nodal analysis. So Vi into 1K by total resistance 2K plus this node P0 by 1K by 2K. So Vn is nothing but Vi plus V0 by 2. So Vi is greater than 0, it is plus Vsat. So Vin is nothing but Vi plus V0 by 2 is greater than 0, it is plus Vsat. But here Vin is nothing but Vi plus or minus 1 volt. So Vi is plus 1, it is 3 volts, and Vin is minus 1, it is 2 volts. So always it swings either 3 to 2 volts. So here always it limits to plus VCC and minus VCC. So basing on this nonlinear condition, always the output is plus Vsat or minus Vsat, always greater than 0 kabatti. So a constant of either plus 5 volts and minus 5 volts. So like that here. So let us assume V0 equal to plus Vsat. What is Vin? Minus R2 by R1 into Vsat. So V0 equal to Vsat. In case 2, you are assuming V0 may be minus Vsat. So Vin is greater than R2 by R1 into Vsat. So by the time V0 is plus Vsat. So output voltage in either case, it is always saturates from plus Vsat to minus Vsat. So what is the output voltage here? Plus 5 volts and minus 5 volts. So in any of the reason, any of the case you are applying, you will get a right answer is a constant of either plus 5 volts or minus 5 volts. So simply is a memory based question, need not to invest much time on this concept. So anyhow you have an idea how to solve the problem in nonlinear conditions and a Schmidt trigger function. But simply if you see the problem circuit and read the problem, positive feedback, so with this input voltage